Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you areas that Solana needs to continue holding here on the chart, and also give you reasons why we can see a break above the $30 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days, and also discuss my next trade setup. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We also have a chart pattern that has been in formation here on the charts, where you can see that we have been trading within this channel, having more than 3 touch points, suggesting that the channel has been well respected. And soon we can expect our breakout to the upper side, maybe give us a successful retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up to the $27 mark, where we have our next key area of resistance. And a break above the $27 mark, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and get above the $30 mark. And to give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, I can zoom out on the charts, where you can see that we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, managing to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. We are now seeing a reaction of the target area to a point that we have now seen a break above this descending trend line that I have here on the charts. We have even seen a retest of the descending channel, that is the descending trend line, and there are high chances that soon we are going to get impulsive and get that last wave to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. And before I give you target areas in the formation of this wave 5, allow me to show you where we have our first wave of this Elliot structure, which lies on the low that we made on the 10th of June at around the $12.96 mark. And after seeing that low, we started gearing up, where we peaked in the formation of this wave 1, so a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and I'm now expecting an impulse in the formation of that wave 5, and giving you target areas in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.26 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Solana to do in the formation of that wave 5. And that is the short-term movement that I'm expecting. And to discuss my trade setup, I have a long trade here on Solana, where I opened it at around the $25 mark, and I have my stop loss below the low that we made on the 10th of July, the 25th of July, at around the $22.69 mark, having my target areas above the $30 mark, that is at around the $30 mark as the first target area. And that is the trade setup that I have here on the Solana chart, and that is not financial advice, so don't copy my trade without doing your own research. And zooming out to also give you my long-term Elliot wave count since the December lows, we peaked in the 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $27 mark. Then we saw this breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement area, highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area. And after seeing that low, we started gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And within the formation of that wave 3, which is impulsive, I have also been expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 giving us the high for that with higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Solana chart, and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 54 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.